Floppy-eared hound. When courage is needed, you're never around. Those medals you wear on your Washington chest should be there for bungling in which you are best. So stop the pigeon, 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 stop the pigeon. Ow! Nab him, jab him, tab him, grab him, stop that pigeon now! You silly, stop sneaking, it's not worth a chance. Or you'll be returned by the seat of your pants. And plump, you invent me a thingamabob that catches that pigeon or I lose my job. So stop the pigeon, 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 stop the pigeon. Nab him, jab him, tab him, grab him, stop that pigeon
tiger? Where is the 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 tiger? Here is the tiger! Ah!